Check out Mr. Jones. We haven't seen Mr. Jones in a while.
About to have a bed on.
He got the front end on it. That's some fresh paint.
Yeah, I just repainted those today. They had the Eco Coat stuff on them.
Shiny.
We're going to get an intake for this thing, dude. Unless you can somehow get a tap on that right side of that coolant neck, you see it, it's just puking out of that thing.
Yeah,
dude.
leaking water. Yeah, it's probably stripped out, but somebody's probably.
Oh, it is.
You gotta. It's kind of hard to see. You got a brand new grill on it, new lights.
Got a lot of new stuff on this truck.
Yeah. Try not to touch these freshly painted fenders.
It's actually got floors in it.
Yeah, I got the floors in it. It's got a shifter in it. It's got brakes. Coming along. He got some gauges in there he's putting in. He's getting ready to put some wood on the bed. Yeah,
new brake lines.
Yeah, new brake line. Oh yeah, there is. You see those nice shiny brake lines. Got the tailpipes on it. Got some tail lights on it. Yeah, it's coming along. Yeah, he lowered it. Put some shackles on it. Well, you cut the front springs, didn't you?
Yeah, I cut 3/4 of the whole.
Yeah.
I got 2-inch drop shackles on the back.
So yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Got some wood out there in the driveway. There's Leo. He's just hanging out, cleaning out the cracks in my driveway. So, yep, it's coming along. I think we're going to get the shop cleaned up this weekend. Hopefully.
Minor oil.
I gotta get Uncle Bill's motor hiding back there under that sheet. Oh, he's got a hood back there for it
I found
too.
my fuse box, by the way.
Got a hood back there for it.
It was sitting in the interior the entire time.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
That's a neat fuse box.
That light right there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got little LEDs on it, so when the fuse is blown, it'll tell you which one. That's pretty sweet.
I was mad I lost it.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah, it's get this together and get the garage cleaned up, Dave.
Yeah.
We can start building some motors.
Yeah, we got to start building some motors. I got too many of them to do. Way too many of them to do. But, yep, that's the update on the old Mr. Jones project. She's coming along. I think he's even got license plates for her. He might be able to drive this bitch today. So, stay tuned. I'll show some more of it. Alright.
Are you ready?
Yes.
And back on your side, you see it?
Got tape over the holes on this side.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get me a razor blade or something. I got this. It's like glued itself on there.
I got the scissors. needs to come over.
I think the fender needs to come over. The fender needs to go out. Our core support's crooked. Let me see here. Let me have to check this side. It's got a big gap. Yeah, the core support needs to go that way.
That's why I hate Chinese shit.
Well, you just gotta loosen the whole core support needs this shit.
My damn hood board too.
Axeman style. Axeman hood drop. Find another bolt that hood inside.
Where the hood's hidden on this side is actually the hood's just fucking bent, what it looks like. Don't shake that too hard. How bad is it hitting up here?
Pretty bad. Like half an inch. Lay right over top of
Set
that.
it right there.
I could tweak the hood.
I need to see where I want you to sit there so I can think about how to move it real quick.
Well, you need to bring
Hood needs to do
that
this.
side needs to go back, and
Right.
this side needs to come up.
I think there's no adjustment to do that just on the hood.
There is on that. Why on the end?
That it's bent right there. The hood is on that corner. It's
Yeah.
fucked up. I might have to hammer that in a little bit.
There's a hinge bolt right here. That's the hinge
That's
bolt.
No, that's just where you put in shims.
Oh.
The spring bolts the inner fender.
Hinge shift.
These are all the way. Yeah, we need to pull the hood forward on these because they're all the way back.
Yep. Here, just loosen them all up. Just loosen them all up and then just shift it around.
Glad I brought this on. No talking. Was it hidden over here? Can't see. I can tweak the hood enough to clear that.
Yeah, that's, well, if we can get that side to go back.
Yeah.
That's probably not gonna be a trick.
I think it's right back where we can go.
Oh, is it? Loosen that back. Okay, so tighten those down. And then if you loosen those bolts where the hood shims go in, you move the whole hinge back. Yeah, it's a lot closer now. It almost shuts. Yeah. I mean, that's
I'm gonna have to adjust this hinge in the front too. I just kind of set it on there.
Yeah, this needs to go back.
Yeah.
That's why it's hidden there. Gotta say loosen those bolts and see if we can shove it back some.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Okay.
The fender's not gonna move. It's the fenders are on there and it's out of adjustment.
Yeah.
It's just gonna get.
You get the front end to go over. I mean, it's closed now,
I might be able to do that.
but it's not lining up there real well either.
It's Chinese shit. I couldn't get it to.
Yeah.
Like legit, me and Andrew spent about 4 hours fighting these on here. If it's the closest it's gonna get.
Okay. Yeah.
Which I'm okay with.
Got a hood on it now, so.
The roadkill muscle truck.
Yeah.
Action latch.
Paint it black and let it rip.
I didn't adjust that hinge. It latched that time?
Yep.
Cool. I didn't have to adjust it. I'm not good. Yeah, I think it works. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, probably what you need to do.
Well, I've had to have grandma come over here.
You might need to put some washers under here and bring this up.
Yeah.
Or actually, no, right here. Just loosen those and bring this up a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't know what adjustment that was gonna want.
Brand new latch too.
Yeah, I got it off Rock Auto. Cool. A lot of this truck was off Rock Auto. Bought one budget around here. My great pneumatic swivel. Oh,
Perfect. So she's got a hood on her now. Now it probably needs to go down a little bit.
yeah, I think I put it up too much.
Yeah. And a little adjustment will be fine.